Hi, it's Chef Beth on Jules Gardening Tips. Today we're going to show you an easy pesto recipe using radish greens. So here we have a little bit more than 2 cups of radish greens, 1/3 cup of pecans, 1/4 cup parmesan cheese, a clove of garlic, about a tablespoon of some lemon juice, and I'm going to add some good olive oil. That look nice. And so what we'll probably do is serve this tonight on some pasta with some shrimp and asparagus. And you've got a really nice, easy way to use all of your radish now. Thanks for watching. Check out recipe playlist.
Do it again. Libbity.
Thanks for watching. Check out the recipe playlist.